lovely session of stuffed modaks or dumplings. Hi, hello, Mothagam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I am Kacha Jaykumar. We are going to make it the traditional way. We are going to follow the traditional recipe and do it in a excellent and a simple way also. So this is going to be a lovely stuffed modaks or dumplings. In this traditional method, what we are going to do is soak the raw rice for 3 to 4 hours and then remove some water and grind it to fine paste. Because earlier we have already shown the version of doing it with the powder. Now this is with the raw rice soaked and the traditional method. So before that, let's pour some water to this jaggery and allow it to get dissolved completely. Just put it and keep it on the stove. For a few minutes, the jaggery will get dissolved well. Now let's grind this to fine paste. We have finely ground batter. This is very fine. Now meanwhile, look at this. The jaggery has dissolved completely, and with the help of strainer, I have removed the impurities from this. Now add the grated coconut to this. Add the cardamom powder. Now here our filling is ready. So let's remove it from fire and allow it to cool down for some time. Let's keep a heavy bottomed vessel on the stove. To the vessel, let's add half glass of water, just half a glass of water. The water is going to start boiling. At that time, let's add a pinch of salt, because this salt is not going to be like how we add for the other dishes, because this is a sweet dish. Still, to enhance the sweet, we are going to add little amount of salt. When the water is boiling, now let's add a spoon of oil or ghee to this. Now let's reduce the flame to medium or less than medium and then add the ground flour paste to this. I'm just rinsing this. We already had half a glass in the bottom. Then we rinse the mixer jar with half glass, and now I'm again adding another half glass. So around 1.5 glasses of water we are adding. Just within 5 minutes, you will see that the dough is leaving the side of the vessel, and then we can remove it and allow it to cool. Can you see the dough has left the sides of the vessels? So let's remove it and allow it to cool completely, and then we will do our dumplings or modaks. This has cooled down completely, so let's do our modaks. Now grease your idli plates or your idiyappam plates. Grease your hands. Just look at the texture of the dough. See, it's so nice. See, the main important ingredient for this is the high quality raw rice. Otherwise, you will not get this texture of the modaks. They will become very gummy and sticky if you are going to use the other varieties. Now here, put the filling in center, and you can fold it like this. So here all our modaks are ready. Now we did this with a regular traditional procedure of grinding it with a mixer jar. We have already published the one with the dry rice flour. So here you can click the information card or the description tab below to know that procedure with our dosa to pizza. Now let's steam this for 10 minutes onto your stoves. Now after 10 minutes, The lovely modaks are ready, and I think you should have subscribed by now. If not, please do subscribe so that we can keep in continuous touch. This is the old traditional process of doing the modaks. We grind it to paste and then keep mixing it, but you get nice soft modaks out of this. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your printable recipes, visit dosatopizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.